Dear friends, this is the video for the person with disability, for the Divyangjan, for the Viklang of India actually, and this is the video for all kinds of disability. So friends, this is the situation of COVID-19 these days, and it is very typical situation in India. So now how government is actually helping us is through the Sugamya Bharat app actually. In Sugamya Bharat app, which is specifically made for the person with disability, they have given one option as COVID-19, and in COVID-19 they have provided the option, five kinds of option they have provided. First is like food. If you are a person with disability and if you do not have a provision for food, because of loss of job, or as you cannot actually move out of your home and you cannot go for food, you can actually raise a request over there and ask that I need a food or something, this kind of facility. You can ask for that thing. That is not a problem. If you the second facility is like assistive devices. If you are using assistive devices like crutches, calipers, or white cane, or the earring machine, or wheelchair, or any kind of assistive devices, you can ask that I'm using this kind of assistive device which is actually damaged, or you need one more, or a kind of a facility which if you are lacking because you cannot move out, you cannot bring, you can raise a request over there. Third thing is like if you need any kind of medical facilities, COVID-19 situation, probably you may need kind of a vaccination or corona test or any kind of medicine, right? Any kind of medicine, not only for the corona only. So if some kind of regular medicines like calcium or any other kind of medicines, right? So you can ask for that thing also, right? So that is all important thing they have mentioned us. Even if you are alone, and if you and your spouse, I mean your wife or husband, is also a person with disability, your parents are older, your children are younger, very young, or things like that, you can ask for caregiver. Caregiver is a facility given in the Sugamya Bharat app, so you can ask for caregiver also in the application. So, and the last facility is accessibility. In that, not sure how accessibility facility can be useful in COVID-19 situations when you are at home, but yeah, that also you can ask for. So all such facilities you must utilize since it is given in Sugamya Bharat app. If you do not have your mobile, if that is not working in your mobile, if you are not registered also, you can ask somebody who has already got registered in Sugamya Bharat app. They can also help you out. You can ask anybody who has Sugamya Bharat app by putting your name and your mobile number in that this kind of facility or issue you are facing, or this kind of request is requested, so you can be given help by the government of India. Believe me, government of India really wants to help us, but we have to ask for help. They would not understand, unless and until we say them, right? So we have to make them aware, and that's the reason they have given us the facility of this kind of app, Sugamya Bharat app. So please also share this video to all kinds of disability across India, because this is very important things. COVID-19 situations, we can save so many lives if we just move this video and take the benefit of this Sugamya Bharat app. With that, I would just request you to be at your home. Stay safe at your home. If you are moving out, please get yourself sanitized, especially your hand. Wear double mask. Get protected when you come back. Just wash your hand by soap. In any case, please don't get the corona entered into your body. Okay. Stay safe, stay healthy, and please share this video across Indian person with disability people. Thank you so much. Bye.